The Auspice TV.
Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use Samora VTU app to print out recharge card pins, bulk recharge card pins. Here we go. If you don't have this app before, quickly go to Play Store and search for Samora VTU, then install it. So let's install it and wait a minute. I've installed it, so let me open it. Okay, now click on continue. After that, you need to register. Click on register now. So register, already registered. Let me quickly log in. Alright, now you need to create a pin. I've already created mine, so let me log in through it. Proceed. Correct. Now it's very easy. Though you can buy other things, other services, you can buy other services there like data. So let me check the price for data, like 1 gig for MTN. Let me check it. Like 1 gig. I think it's 249. Good. But that's not where we're going to. We are going to recharge card pin, and we can generate multiple recharge card pins. So click on display services. Either you click on this place or you just click on view all here, or you can see you can slide it. So let me click here and recharge card pin. Now on this place, choose network. Maybe you want Glow, so let me choose Glow. Now quantity, how many do you want? If you want 10, or let me put 5. Is 100 naira on, so 100 naira credit, or 200 or 500 we have there. So click on this. Now your pin that you used, that is my pin. Let me click on proceed. You can see successful. So I just purchased pin, which you can see here. Now click on this place to print out. This is the link. So that is that you click on this place or you click on this badge, you can see it comes out again. Then go to your browser and paste the link. Go to your browser. So you are going to paste the link. Now on PC, this is how it will look like. So that means if you, this is just 5. So if it is like 100, so that's how it will arrange itself, and you'll be able to scroll down. So to print this thing out, just download the voucher. So you download it to be as like PDF. So and you already know that PDF can print the PDF. So when you print it out, that is your recharge card pins. So this dot, that is a space for you to cut the recharge voucher. So you can cut it. So this is how it will look like on PDF, and how it will look like on your printer when you print it out. And another thing about this printing of recharge card pins is that like 100 naira airtime, it won't be 100 naira, it will be 98 naira. So all networks. So that means on 2%. So on 2% you are getting this recharge card pins. So that's how it works. You can install Samora VTU app and you enjoy your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.